Steve. Yeah. Steve. Huh? Steve. 18. Yeah. You know what it is? Dropping bodies, dropping bodies, dropping bodies. Oh shit, got shot, it's all up on your body. I'm kinda scared, but I ain't scared because I am a hobby. You already know that I'm about to get a body. And if I fucking be blown, then everybody would know. Cause you already see, there's just no place else to go. Blowing kush, blowing perp, everywhere I go it hurts. Cause you already know that they shot me in my shirt. Pop, pop, oh shit, I see my blood is start to squirt. Cause you already know that I gotta get my work. All these bodies on the floor, all these bodies getting beat up and eat up. This is how they be treated in a bright mode scenery. You can't remember me. You already know that I'm in your memory card. Oh shit, because you already know the pop. If you hear it, then you're shot and not by a cop. Body drop.
You already know what it is. Brimo 100 years to the fiends go. You already know what it is. Brimo 100 years, make them fucking fiends go. You already know what it is. 18 on the block, been fucking thugging, kid. You know what it is. Brimo 100 years, come through the fucking mo. You ain't know where I'm coming, in and out the hood. Brimo 100 years, you 18, get it understood. Been a fucking youngin', nigga still a youngin'. Fucking with your bad bitch, that boy take her from you. 18, you don't know who the fuck it is. Better read on hold. Next time you see me, kid, probably flexing and flossing with your bitch. You ain't know who it was. This was 18, bitch. You already know. Get at us. Money, yeah.